Microsoft Word has WordArt feature for designing creative printouts. Follow the directions in this video to help you achieve your printouts look spectacular. Open your Microsoft Word document. Locate the place that you'd like to insert your first WordArt piece of text on your page. Click the Insert tab. Click WordArt. Click to select the WordArt style that looks the best to you. Type your text using proper formatting. Select alternate formatting, bold, italic, font size, font type. From the buttons above the box, you type your stuff in. Learn how to color your WordArt text. Use the same styles to color other text as you would for this WordArt text. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.